Welcome back, guys. This is Sam, and I'm back with yet another PC build. This time we'll be doing a home PC build. This is the PC for people who want to do casual gaming, watch some movies, and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the PC um, we'll be building. Processor we'll be using is Intel i3 3220. This is the processor we'll be building the PC around. So, pretty standard stuff. LG 1150 for socket, 2 cores, 3.3 GHz clock speed. This is basically hyper-threaded, that means 4 cores, so that will be good for gaming. But I don't think home users would require more than 2 cores for gaming. So, yeah, this is the processor we'll be using for our build. Intel i3 3220. This will cost us rupees 7450, and for the case we are going with Cooler Master N300 NSE 300K and 1 KK and 1 mid tower cabinet. So um, basically this is the cheapest available, and it's pretty good looking. You have all the cable management, pretty nice side window, pretty good, pretty good. Micro ADX and ADX form factor, USB 3.0 support, USB 2.0 support, side panel window, basic stuff. Yeah. So graphics card. This is basically your choice because the onboard graphics should pretty much do it for you. But still, this will save us around 2000 rupees, and yeah, 2000 rupees we will be saving. But if you want a graphics card, mm, you can go with the Radeon HD 5450 DDR3 graphics card, 650 MHz clock speed, shader version 5.0, 1 GB of DDR3 memory, PCI Express 2.1, pretty standard stuff. 80 stream processors, power supply required is 350 watt, mm, 1 VGA output, 1 HDMI output, and 1 DVI output. So yeah, this will do it for us. Moving on, the optical drive. We are going with standard, pretty standard Samsung optical drive. So yeah, this will cost us $1,000, and the cabinet for $1,000, and the graphic card $1,200. Moving on, for hard drive, we are going with uh, Western Digital Caviar Blue 500 gigabyte hard drive. This is the blue version, ideal for home PC. 3.5-inch form factor, SATA 6, 16 MB of cache memory, 7200 RPM spin speed. So yeah, pretty standard. Shall do it for us. Yep. Moving on, for power supply, we are going with Corsair VS 550 watt power supply. Um, so yeah, mm, pretty much will handle all the load. This will cost us around 3,375 rupees, and the hard drive somewhere around 4,000 rupees. Yeah, to be exact, 4,000 rupees. And the power supply 3,375 rupees. For the RAM, we are going with G.Skill Ripjaws X DDR3 2 GB of RAM. Um, Basically, this is 1,333 megahertz of RAM, 2 GB, and I would recommend that you go for one more stick of 2 GB. That will make it 4 GB. Just in case, these days having more RAM is will be future proof. So yeah. Um, This is the RAM we'll be using G.Skill, and yeah, have a look here. It says 10 years of G.Skill India warranty and free transit insurance. That's sweet, isn't it? So yeah, moving on. For the motherboard, we are going with Gigabyte GA861M DS2 motherboard. LGA 1115 socket, two memory slots, one PCI Express slot. So yeah, I wanted to go for another motherboard, but as we are cutting down on the budget and as it is a home PC, this will be ideal for. But you can have a look um, of another Gigabyte motherboard on the Flipkart website. So yeah, this is the bill for our home PC, and this will cost us 26,377 rupees to be exact, as of the current price. So yeah, as it is Intel processor based PC, and it is i3 3220, which means it's Ivy Bridge. This is basically future proof, so no need to worry. And if you want to swap out or in any part, you have the full rights to do it. um, I recommend that you order all the parts from Flipkart, as they have great customer support and great delivery. So yeah, if you have any queries, you can comment down below, and please subscribe and like the videos and subscribe to my channel. And if anyone of you out there wants to be build a gaming PC or any type of PC, I'll leave my number in the description below. Do check it. And so yeah, this is a home PC um, for 27,000 rupees. Thanks for watching. Cheers.